our camera here. Absolutely gorgeous, and we're going to see another beautiful one tomorrow as well. Temperatures remained above average here. Average high 55 degrees, 64 is what we hit today, but it didn't come near our record of 76 that we set last year. I do expect low 60s to come back into play tomorrow. Now, before you go to bed tonight, be sure you set your clock back 1 hour. Let's say time ends at 2 a.m. So you get an extra hour of snoozing, maybe an extra hour of coffee. But remember, when you wake up tomorrow morning, that sun is going to come up a little bit earlier. We're talking just after 7 a.m. sunrise instead of just after 8 a.m. sunrise. All right, here's your 12-hour forecast. Temperatures really staying in the mid-40s along the lake. This is really your lakeshore forecast. Inland spots, we do expect to see temperatures drop in the upper 30s for some of us. Then as we head towards 8, 9 o'clock, temperatures back into the upper 40s. It's going to be a gorgeous afternoon. I do expect temperatures to soar right back in the low 60s. 40 tonight, so I'm going to split the difference because they said upper 30s for some, mid 40s for others. So starlit sky, high pressure in place, and the reason why I'm going with some temperatures falling at 30, good radiational cooling going on here. We have a very light winds out of the southwest at 5 to 10, which will be going light and variable tomorrow. Plus we have that clear sky out there. So it is definitely going to be a chilly night tonight. You're going to hear those heaters kick on. Now tomorrow, 62 degrees, unseasonably mild with winds light and variable through the day. Heard a lot of leaf blowers this afternoon. You can get your yard work done once again tomorrow or just enjoy the rest of what fall has to offer in Northeast Ohio because look, my forecast changing a little bit. Headed to the Browns game, 58 degrees at kickoff. Plenty of sunshine, wind won't be a factor, and you do not need your rain gear. Here's a look at your 8-day forecast, and Monday we're even warm at 67 degrees, lots of sunshine. Some of us even in the upper 60s. At voting day, Tuesday, 63, there's 4% chance of rain that's coming in the afternoon. So after 4 o'clock, cold front pushes through. That's going to drop us back down to average here, middle of the week. Then Friday, this 52, you'll likely see after midnight. Temperatures will be dropping through the day. We drop all the way into the low 50s on Saturday. This is the first time I had to put this on the 8-day. Mix of rain and snow Saturday evening. So lake effect snow possibility too. There's something that you might not want to see in the 8-day forecast. So it ends tonight. Turn your clock back 1 hour. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7:06. It will be mild though the next couple of days here. I do have temperatures back into the 60s tomorrow, Monday, even on Tuesday with plenty of sunshine. Now the average high this time of year at 55 degrees. Now this cold snap, that's headed late in this week. We're talking temperatures in the 40s, rain snow mix. Notice how I rushed that a little bit, and some lake effect possibility. Well, we'll see. We still have several days to get this forecast out, so it could change. Here's a look at your day tomorrow. Again, sunrise 7:06 tomorrow morning, 43 degrees, 54 by noon. Lots of sunshine expected at that point, and we'll continue that through the remainder of the day. So a great fall weekend across Northeast Ohio. Temperatures falling mainly in the mid 40s along the lake to upper 30s inland spots. We do have those nooks and crannies, that fall into the upper 30s, those cooler spots. Right now we are at 52 degrees, and you can see here in southeastern Ohio and southern Ohio, those are some cooler temperatures. So I do expect maybe Mansfield, Worcester, Ashland, Dover, New Philly, you'll likely fall in the upper 30s tonight. Here's our culprit for this beautiful weather. We have high pressure in place right now. It's going to continue to sit and spin just to the south of us. Winds out of the south pulling in these warmer air, and as it moves to the east off the east coast here, I do expect temperatures to warm up even a little bit as you get into your week. So Monday, upper 60s, a good possibility. This is our next system. You can see it's starting to get its act together here with some showers and some cloud cover. That is going to move in on Tuesday, election day. I do expect some showers to push into our area, mainly after 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So much of your day will be okay, and it's going to move in from west to east. So the bulk of the rain will come during the evening hours for most of us. We are under a clear sky, and that's why temperatures are dropping pretty quick. We're at 52 in Cleveland, 48 Akron, Canton, 44. There's our cool spots. Worcester, low 40s in New Philadelphia. 40 tonight, so I'm going to split the difference. Upper 30s to low 40s depending on where you are. Tomorrow, 2 footers or less on our waters. Winds out of the west, they're pretty light. Tomorrow, 62 degrees, plenty of sunshine, light and variable winds. If you're tailgating, headed to the Browns game, I don't know, will they pull out a win?